Hey, y'all, so a while back we were out in Terrell doing just a tech demo for Terrell Fire and Police, kind of showing them the latest technology, with streaming and with we had the Autel Evo2 Dual out there, showing them just some of the latest technology for public safety. And I just took a quick little cell phone video and I posted up this new display mount for the Evo and Evo2, and a lot of people got excited about it. So I figured I'd make a little video, kind of let you know what it is and where you can get it. So kind of starting the beginning, this is the same cell phone holder that's on the Evo1 and Evo2. And while this technology is absolutely fantastic, I love this aircraft. It's my primary first on UAS for public safety response. This is almost kind of like an afterthought in the way it was designed. And I think even Auto would agree that this cell phone holder could have used some improvement on design. But so there's been a lot of people looking for an alternative solution. And one of the things that I caught on early is that it would have been great to be able to use the CrystalSky, the DJI CrystalSky, due to its bright display that really helps out, especially sunny places like here in Texas. So I designed this, and this allows you to take and attach your DJI CrystalSky to your Autel Evo and Evo2 controller. And what's more is it actually uses this convex and concave matching shape for extra robustness on how this thing attaches. Instead of relying on just that little cross shape, it actually relies on the whole shape, this whole convex shape of this controller for robust strength. So anyway, enough on that. The reason I want to say that is because this new attachment, now this is called center gravity attachment, CG attachment, and the CG attachment uses that same robust piece. So if you have one already, if you already bought one, you'll be able to reuse that and just get this CG attachment. What the CG attachment does is you'd also seen that orange one out there that people wrap around. I forget the name of it, but that's that orange one. Some people loved it, some people hated it. I heard all kinds of stuff. And basically the thing is some people just didn't like the weight up front. It was hard on their wrists. Some people did, some people just liked it. So I thought, why can't we just make one that people can adjust it to their own preferences? And that's what this is. The CG attachment is exactly that. So first of all, it's actually designed to mount a DJI CrystalSky in here. I'm sure you could mount something else and have a cell phone or a tablet, but it's really designed from the ground up to use the DJI mount, CrystalSky mount, put it on there. The other thing you'll notice in here, let's see if I can get it, is the indexes. So there's laser engraved index along here. So whenever you're taking, you put on a display and let's say you move it back or forward or whatever you might do, you can just automatically go to the index, which is your favorite. And then the other thing is it's very well suited for both. This is the 5.5 inch on there now, but I can very easily just take and dismount that and throw on the 7.8 inch, and it handles that just well. Now, one of the things you'll notice is that I'm not straining to hold this. See if I can move it back a little bit. It's just sitting in my hand. It's on number 3 right now, and at the angle of this display. If I were to move this display back a little bit, well, now it's sitting a little front heavy, and all I have to do is loosen this screw, this little thumb screw, slide this index back. I'm going to put it back on 1 with this display back. All right, tighten it down, and now it's balanced again. All right, so that's the whole purpose behind it. And some people don't like it balanced. Some people actually like a little bit of forward weight on their arms, whatever it might be. The whole purpose of this is so that you can adjust it to your preferences. All right, I know one of the questions is going to be, well, does this fit in the case? And the answer to that is both yes and no. It won't fit in there just like this, because obviously this piece won't fit down into this foam hole, but it's actually really simple. So you take and disconnect this, slide that out, close your handles. This drops right into your case, as you can see it there. And then what I do is I take this index bar and my display, and I put it in the bottom of the case, pull it out. Again, it's quick and easy to deploy. Take and slide this in to your favorite index, whatever it might be. Put on your display, lock it in, plug it in, handles, done. So it's really that easy. It's pretty simple. This thing does stay. It doesn't move around. It's nice and solid. The engineering and stuff behind it is really solid on this. So anyway, so where can you get these? I know a lot of dealers, probably all of your Autel dealers. First thing that I would do is contact your Autel dealer that you bought your drone from and just ask if they have them or if they can get them, because they probably can. Some of the Autel dealers that I know that'll be selling these are Fly High USA and Airworks, and there's several others. I just can't think of off the top of my head right now. Influential Drones will probably be selling them, and so on and so forth. So anyway, hopefully this was informative. Hopefully this helps out some people with their struggles with the Autel displays. And anyway, hopefully this helps, and we'll talk to you later.